Keindahan danau yang tenang ini dihampar oleh eceng gondok yang lebat, sebuah ekosistem yang belum terjamah. Kembali ke gemerisik dedaunan yang lembut, kini lebih jernih.
Panen otomatis eceng gondok.
Mesin panen air industri bergerak perlahan.
Katinan mengangkat eceng gondok dalam jumlah besar. Tanaman tetap utuh dan bersih, tanpa gangguan proses.
Collected water hyacinths are moved from the initial staging area. Collected water hyacinths are moved from the initial staging area to the main production line using an automated closed conveyor.
The stalks and leaves of the water hyacinth move slowly in a straight and stable path.
Batang dan daun eceng gondok bergerak perlahan dalam alur lurus dan stabil. The stalks and leaves of
There is no other material, no flow disruption, and no human interaction.
The entire system runs silently, cleanly, and synchronously, ensuring the water hyacinth enters.
The entire system runs silently, cleanly, and synchronously, ensuring the water hyacinth enters the washing.
Pencucian eceng gondok industri.
Eceng gondok masuk ke mesin pencuci.
Agan ketimpigan ankan rakihaan. Lumpur dan residu air hilang sempurna.
Menyisakan batang bersih berwarna hijau pucat. Batang eceng gondok dipotong memanjang dan seragam oleh mesin otomatis.
With mathematical precision, the fibers are prepared, showcasing the efficiency of the cutting station.
Potongan bergerak rapi di atas konveyor baja.
Potongan bergerak rapi di atas konveyor baja.
Water hyacinth stems are dried in an industrial drying room. The water content drops steadily.
The color changes to a natural brown.
Serat keluar panjang, kuat, dan siap dianyam.
The sound of dry fibers rustling slightly against the polymer belt. The gentle rustling.
The general hum of the factory floor begins to feel more distant, subtly fading as the camera approaches the opening. The ambient factory hum fades almost completely, replaced by a muffled, deeper operational sound from within.
Sofa frame production. Sofa frames are produced automatically.
The frame structure looks sturdy and precise.
Ready to be layered with water hyacinth. Serat eceng gondok dianyam dan dililit rapat mengelilingi rangka sofa. Pola anyaman konsisten dan simetris.
Pola anyaman konsisten dan simetris.
Rules applied. No chaos, no conflict, no humans.
Rules applied. No chaos, no conflict, no humans.
Pembentukan bentuk sofa. Mesin membentuk kontur dudukan, sandaran, dan lengan sofa. Anyaman eceng gondok mengikuti bentuk dengan presisi tinggi.
Water hyacinth weave follows the shape with high precision. finishing the surface of the water hyacinth sofa.
Is smoothed and tidied.
The fibers look natural, clean, and strong.
Quality control otomatis.
Sensor industri memeriksa kekuatan rangka, kerapatan anyaman, dan kestabilan struktur sofa eceng gondok. Sensor industri memeriksa kekuatan rangka, kerapatan anyaman, dan kestabilan struktur sofa eceng gondok.
Semua unit lolos inspeksi.
Water hyacinth sofa packaging.
Precision automation meets artisanal craftsmanship. The future of packaging, now.
The water hyacinth sofa is automatically wrapped and secured. The shape remains stable during the packaging process.